Okay, so let's talk about today's work. And in the morning, I actually do some kind of study on perfume, and actually um, have successfully done with the part of the data lineage and also the data classification partially. Yeah, actually, I set the scan rule and also with the regular expression, but actually, it's cannot identify successfully, turns out. But for the data lineage, it would be a huge success because I had already defined the source and the destination and also the logic inside. But actually, it's run automatically just for the data factory. But I didn't know if I could do it the same with the data bricks so far. Um, also, yeah, I think this is pretty much what I've been done this morning, and after in the afternoon, actually Nelson has raised some kind of question to us. It would be about um is like overmerge case. There is an overmerge case with the same primary key in the cross reference table, and also with the same MDM ID but different name. So it would be kind of like very weird because the system is only show one record because the Informatica they have a logic to just pick one record out of the both. Yes, and we didn't know what logic is, but we can ask them. But for the another one is like uh, we would do the search on the source. So we actually see the cross reference, and actually is showed as with the same primary key and the same MDM ID. It showed two kind of different name, so it would lead to the data breach because of the yes, because of the uh, like combination between two customer. Yeah, so so I need to communicate with the IT team, and also tomorrow I will draft an email with Shelly, and also to talk with the IT team to see what's going on and what is the next step. Yeah, so I think pretty much it is. And also I learned about the data flow. Yes, well actually for the first time, the data is from the data vault, and it load into the customer 36 into customer vault, and also the MDM Informatica calculator is will run, and also assign the MDM ID into the customer vault, and the so these two kind of yeah, you may consider customer vault as like is another source, is yeah. And actually the C360 is actually the downstream data mart, and it takes data file data and customer file data to generate some kind of like the data mart. Yes, so people can watch it easily, and they would really just use it as a Power BI report or something. Yeah, and actually the yeah, so there is another term called a digital backbone. Is I think is kind of like maintained by the IT, and also the data vault is one part of the data backbone. Yes, and well, so but so there is a completely separated process um between the MDM logic and also the C360 ETL process. So this will be two kind of different process, and it run in two different place. For the data mart in 360, C360, sorry, is run as a file, is and also stored into the yes, stored into the data lake with a file format. But yes, the data, like the customer vault is it is present as a database format. So just two kind of different format. So yeah, I think that is enough to talk today, and is all I know. And hopefully I could learn more English. Yeah, so I will keep practicing it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Thank you.